I'm gonna be doing Speaking Tagalog Only Challenge na matuto
pa ng...
Ayoko na talaga. Huwag na. I had ilong dugo. So kahit sobrang mahirap sa akin, kakayanin ko to.
Itong kanta.
No, baby, I can do it! Annyeonghaseyo mga patatas! Welcome back to my... Wait. Channel! So guys, ayun. Today is me and Steven's second anniversary. So, syempre, may date na tayo today. This beautiful flower was delivered to me this morning. And it's so beautiful, guys, diba? So anyways, today we're gonna be going to Tagaytay and we booked this really nice fancy restaurant. So I'm super excited and I can't believe it's already been technically 3 years that I dated him, but 2 years being official. Time is so fast, guys. No, like, grabe. That's why I'm gonna doing a very fun challenge with him today. I'm gonna be doing Speaking Tagalog Only Challenge for the whole day. So it's just me who has to give effort because syempre Steven is a Filipino. I want to take this time to learn more Tagalog from him. I'm not sure if you noticed, guys, my Tagalog skill improved so much. Like, even Ate Grace tells me that your Tagalog is really getting better because since you're dating a Filipino, you have no choice but to learn more Tagalog words. So, ayon, like, I'm truly happy about that. And someday, I really want to be perfect. Anyways, let's get ready with me muna kasi, syempre, I have to look maganda today, diba? It's our day. Let's go! Before I start my makeup, I make sure my skin is hydrated enough for my makeup to sit right. That is very important, guys. And then recently, I started using this brand called Standard Soul. And I saw Cristel Forger using this also. And OMG, game changer sila, guys. Itong combo. Recently, my biggest worry is my pores because I have PCOS, guys. So, I have like continuous acne, like lalo na right now, for the past few weeks, my skin has been crazy. So naturally, your pore gets big and it's so stressful. I'm sure you know when you put makeup and if your pore is big, it's like... And then this serum that I have been using recently, it's called Firming Bouncy Boost Serum from Standard Soul. And guys, look at it. Like when you want to use this, you have to... Oh, tingnan mo ah. You have to shake it like this. It's so cute kasi pink siya. Favorite color ko to. So number one consideration ko when I buy a serum, it should be lightweight and non-sticky. And this is exactly that type of serum. So I really enjoy using it. It's very watery type. Let me show you. It's very watery type. Instant glow, guys. I know I have some acne marks right now, but as you can see here, my pores has decreased so much. Little tip is that after applying the serum, I do the gua sha because it reduces your puffiness on your face and gives that lifted look for your makeup. And what I really love about this product is that it gives me this radiant natural glow and it's not greasy at all. So super recommended, guys. After applying the serum, now you need this guy. It's called the Barrier Glass Gel Cream from Standard Soul also. Ito guys, it gives instant plump and glow on your face. So this has been my favorite recently. And as you can see these mini micro beads as well that burst when you apply on your skin. Very lightweight siya, but also really moisturizing. I can feel that it really strengthened my skin barrier after using for a long time. Like, grabe, look at the glow, guys. I think this is why they named it Glass Gel Cream. Like, grabe. Perfect for your makeup. This combo, please do not forget, guys. Ang weird kasi when I use this combo, my makeup lasts all day. Like, smoother, glowy. So later, I can also show you before and after. Like, 5 hours or 6 hours.
Wait lang, I forgot to tell you guys that Standard Soul has a special deals on Shopee. You can get up to 55% off plus an extra 30% off on add-on purchases. Don't miss it. More infos in my description box below.
So this is my face with the foundation on. And it's still so glowy and parang my pores are gone. So Steven is also on the way here and I'm just gonna finish my makeup because I'm actually late already. You know girls, we need time to prepare. So, bye! So guys, I met Steven na. Happy anniversary, Tylee.
Anniversary!
Now we're heading to Tagaytay. And the weather is so perfect today. Like, thank you Lord. And syempre, ang ganda ko guys. Maybe my makeup is so nice today, no?
Yes, super. So far.
Ayun, we're gonna do the speaking Tagalog only challenge. I mean, it's already easy for you. Ako lang, sobrang hirap. So, it will start now na.
Go! Galing man.
He's actually excited kasi I never spoke like straight Tagalog with him ever, guys. So, today's literally the first time I'm trying. So, okay, start.
Start, go. Kaya mo yan.
Sa tingin ko, sobrang mahirap para sa akin.
Wow!
Next!
Subalit, natapot.
At, sa tingin ko, hindi ako madaldal ngayon.
Okay.
Sobrang nahihiya ako. Ngayon ay
Pupunta tayo
sa Tagaytay. Hirap talaga.
Kaya mo yan? It's fun, right?
Bawal English na nga.
Ay, okay.
Ikaw din bawal.
Ay, patawarin mo ako.
Etong challenge, guys. What is chance in Tagalog? What is chance?
Chance.
Ito yung chance ako
Na matuto mag-Tagalog.
na matuto
Pa ng...
Anong nararamdaman mo sa anniversary natin?
Ako'y
Ano?
Ako'y masaya at excited.
Di ba mahirap?
Ako'y masaya nananabik sa ating pupuntahan para sa selebrasyon ng ating anniversary.
Grabe, ang hirap talaga, baby. Hindi ko kaya. Pero mas magaling ako kesa tatlong taon.
Ano?
Dati.
Oo.
Mas magaling ako sa Tagalog.
Mas magaling ka kaysa sa dati. Mas munlad ka. Munlad is improve.
Okay. Munlad. Umunlad? Umunlad.
Yeah.
Okay. Umunlad ako.
Munlad ka.
Ngayon, maganda.
Ngayon, maganda ang panahon. Maganda.
Wait lang, kaya ko to.
Ay, go.
Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon. Does that make sense, right?
Yeah, pwede na. Ang ganda ng panahon.
Kaya masaya ako, guys. Should I say mga tao? Mga kababayan. Not guys.
Mga kababayan.
Mga kababayan. Masaya ako ngayon.
Friends.
Mga bata. My dad always say, mga bata. So kahit sobrang mahirap sa akin, kakayanin ko to.
Siguradong kayang-kaya mo yan.
Yes, syempre. At balang araw,
magiging perfecto ko rin ang aking pagtatagalog.
Magiging perfecto?
Perfecto ko rin ang pagtatagalog.
No, that's too hard, baby. I will say it in my level. Wait, I can do this. Magiging perfecto ng Tagalog ko.
Magiging perfecto na ang Tagalog.
Ayoko na talaga. Huwag na. Sobrang traffic sa Calax. Kaya nagkakanta ako para sa'yo.
Kaya kakantahan na lang kita.
But it doesn't make sense what I said. Kaya kakantahan muna kita.
Kulang lang pero pwede na.
Okay. Itong kanta ay special para sa atin.
Para sa atin?
Para sa atin.
Para sa ating dalawa.
Para sa ating dalawa. Kumakanta ako. I would sing. Is it past tense? Kumakanta, right? Kumakanta ako para sa Steven dati.
Kinakanta. Past tense ba? Kinakanta ko to.
Past tense na.
Kinakanta ko tong kanta na to kay Steven.
No, it's too long, baby. I can't talk like that. Kinakanta ko dati.
Itong kanta.
No, baby. We're gonna fight now while we're doing this.
Ikaw.
I can do it na nga. Just let me think.
Sige, hindi na ako salita.
Hindi. Kinakanta ako itong kanta para sa Steven dati. Oh God. Ayoko na talaga.
You want help?
No.
Kinakanta ko tong kanta dati kay Steven. Short. It's too short, di ba?
Baby. I have ilong dugo. I have ilong dugo na, guys. Sakit ng ulo ko. Dapat kakanta ako ng OPM. Syempre, di ba?
Yeah.
Kaya kakanta ako ng Babalik Sa'yo by Moira.
1, 2, 3, go! Hindi naman inakala ikaw palang makakasama ang hanap ko noon. Bang iba sa ngayon, ika'y dumating sa tamang panahon. Ikaw na ba yung dinalangin ko? Handa kong gawin lahat, makapiling ka lang. Walang higit sa'yo, ikutin pa ang mundo. Ako'y babalik sa'yo. Tanging ikaw, ang sigaw na pusong araw-araw. Aminin ko na sa'yo. Wait lang guys, may lyrics ako dito wait lang. Ngayon na nakaganto, ako'y babalik pa rin sa'yo.
Kilig ka?
Yes. Galing mo play.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Anong kanta?
I don't know.
Anong nadarama tuwing nakikita kang dumarating? Tuliro, di malaman ang gagawin at walang sino mang makapipigil sa akin. At wala nang iba makapagbabago ng aking isip sa'yo.
Ayos ba?
Yeah. I'm sorry. Pasensya, pero hindi ko naintindihan 100%.
Porsyento.
Porsyento. Pero sobrang kilig ko. Okay. Kiss na nga. So, dito na tayo guys sa Sinta Restaurant. It's in Tagaytay. It's so beautiful already. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Grabe.
This is called Praal by Mansi Abisang.
Oh.
So this is the handmade. This is handmade paper cut po.
Oh!
So,
Wow.
As you can see, there is some pattern po. So meron po siyang specific cutter na ginamit dyan para magawa yan. So continuous po sa paggawa niyan po.
It's beautiful.
So, full paper and then
How? Grabe.
yeah nga sir, yun nga yung napansin ng mga guys na sayang po kasi yung mga tape pa.
And then imagine, the one piece here will get caught while doing that.
Sarap.
Mango. Sarap.
Sarap.
Guys, wow, it's so beautiful here.
In this area, this is the garden area. You can have here special occasions like weddings.
Oh,
Yes.
so cute.
Also available this
Can we also try the cable car? Ah. Oh. Uy, proposal daw, sir. Proposal daw doon. Oh. Galing mo. Baby. Mahal ko. Hindi baby, mahal ko. Okay. So, picture tayo muna. And hindi mainis siya, guys. Kaya, sobrang magandang environmente, baby.
Kapaligiran.
Huh?
Kapaligiran.
Kapaligiran. And that's like bamboo. So, I love the sound. Medyo tahimik yung restaurant na nga. Tatahimik tayo.
Tatahimik tayo?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Pero guys, grabe ang guwapo, ang pogi ng date ko. Mahal ko. At maganda yung what's view in Tagalog?
Tanawin.
Tanawid?
Tanawin.
Tanawin? Tanawin.
Mas maganda yung tanawin dito.
So, kumuha tayo ng litrato like 3 billion
Sa labas.
sa labas kanina. Sobrang social. Ano to? Tinapay. Tinapay na may bahay. Grabe, sobrang social. Nakakahiya ba?
Medyo.
Sobrang cute naman. Ano to? Butter. Yaran.
Cute.
So, dito na yung pakain natin. Sobrang sarap yung steak at gulay.
Halo-halong buhay.
Gulay. So, may dessert na tayo. Happy 2nd anniversary!
Maligayang pangalawang taong anniversary. Maligayang pangalawang taong anniversary.
So, mga bata, kung gusto nyo malaman gaano ang cute ng pictures natin, disaster ba?
Yeah, pero kung gusto nyo malaman kung gaano kaganda yung mga pictures namin, mga litrato namin, anong sasabihin?
Check
Check.
my IG. Ang aking Instagram.
Sumangguni lang.
Ano ba yan?
Tingnan nyo na lang sa kanyang social media.
Yeah, sa Instagram ko.
Sa Instagram niya.
Sabi nila, kamukha daw kami.
Magkamukha daw tayo.
Pero, di ko maintindihan yon sa una. What is they say?
Pero sinasabi nila,
kapag in love tayo,
kapag nagmamahalan,
nagmamahalan tayo, nagiging kamukha yung mahal mo. Can I speak English for a while? Because I'm gonna die soon. Like, I'm so annoyed. Guys, I'm sorry. Can I speak English?
No.
Anyways, like, looking back the, like, 3 years with Steven, like, at first, this guy, even, like, face-wise, like, character-wise, I thought, like, he's not my type of guy. Like, he's not suitable for me. And then I was so amazed how people are telling us, baby, na we look alike daw when we smile. Pero I never thought of that ever. But maybe people see it, no?
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, salamat sa inyong sa suporta. Suporta nyo?
Suporta at pagsubaybay sa aking...
Oh, don't teach me difficult words.
Pagsubaybay, like ano, para always watching my vlog.
Subaybay? Basta salamat. Basta salamat. At mahal kita. Mahal kita mga kababayan. Anyways, as you can see, guys, my makeup is still super bongga, right? So, this is me under the light. Like, nothing changed at all. Even no matter how the wind is super strong or the weather is hot, it's all because my base makeup is very nice. So, be sure to try the combination that I recommended you. The Standard Soul. Super ganda, guys. Grabe. Looking back at our times together, what can you say?
From before to now, today, sobrang layo na ng narating natin. Pero for sure, malayo pa tayo. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. So, marami pa tayong pwedeng matutunan. Like that. So, wish ko sa anniversary natin, sana. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo sa progress na magkasama. And less away.
Ay, impossible yan. What is impossibly?
Impossible.
Impossible.
Yeah. Ayun, just always pray.
Yeah.
Always remember that I'm always here for you and I always love you.
Oh, mahal kita, mahal ko. But you know what? Like, rather than baby, I think the word mahal for me is so like, yeah, parang, I don't know. I really love the word mahal, like mahal, ganon. But I mean, we're not really used to it yet. But the endearment mahal is such a beautiful word, like mahal ko, ganon.
Yeah, but that's also our call sign.
Yeah.
You're just used to call baby.
Yeah, we're so used to. Ikaw kasi, you started calling me baby kasi in Siargao eh. Happy anniversary.